Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about something that a lot of you have been asking me about recently. Is it safe to leave money on Kraken? Before I get into the details, I want to start by saying that I'm not a financial advisor. The information that I'm going to share with you is based on my own research and experience, but it's ultimately up to you to decide whether or not you want to leave money on Kraken. Have you ever had a nightmare where you've lost all of your money? Or maybe you've heard stories about people who have been scammed by cryptocurrency exchanges. If so, you're not alone. There are a lot of people who are worried about the safety of their money when they use cryptocurrency exchanges. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, is it safe to leave money on Kraken? I'll also discuss some of the risks and benefits of using Kraken. Before we get into the safety of Kraken, let's talk about what it is. Kraken is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy, sell, and trade a variety of cryptocurrencies. It's one of the largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. So, is it safe to leave money on Kraken? The answer is yes, but there are a few things to keep in mind. First, Kraken is a regulated exchange. This means that it is subject to strict regulations and oversight by the government. This helps to ensure that Kraken is operating safely and fairly. Second, Kraken has a good track record of security. It has never been hacked, and it has a strong security system in place to protect your funds. Third, Kraken offers a variety of security features, such as two-factor authentication and cold storage. These features can help to protect your account from unauthorized access. Despite these safety measures, there are still some risks associated with leaving money on Kraken. One risk is that the price of cryptocurrency could fall. If this happens, you could lose money. Another risk is that Kraken could be hacked. Although this is unlikely, it's still a possibility. Finally, there is the risk that Kraken could go out of business. If this happens, you could lose your money. Despite these risks, I believe that Kraken is a safe place to leave your money. The benefits of using Kraken far outweigh the risks. Here are some of the benefits of using Kraken. It's a regulated exchange. It has a good track record of security. It offers a variety of security features. It's one of the largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. It has a wide variety of cryptocurrencies available for trading. If you're still not sure whether or not to leave money on Kraken, I recommend doing your own research. There are a lot of resources available online that can help you learn more about Kraken and other cryptocurrency exchanges. Conclusion. In conclusion, I believe that Kraken is a safe place to leave your money. However, it's important to be aware of the risks involved. If you're still not sure whether or not to use Kraken, I recommend doing your own research. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and happy trading. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about Kraken, please click on the link below. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency content. You can also use Kraken to buy and sell other cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. You can withdraw your funds from Kraken at any time. Kraken offers a variety of fees, depending on the type of transaction you're making. You can find more information about Kraken on their website, https://www.kraken.com. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Thanks for watching.